And hello from a sunny Ireland. It may be good morning or good afternoon, but thank you very much for joining the session today. By asking a better question, it's not what is the newest app or the newest AI tool, but how do we really reliably achieve the outcome that we want every week, with or without you in the mix. The framework has three pillars. So it's strategy first, systems thinking, and AI as a genuine team member. So when these connect, value compounds, the fewer errors and better decisions from your integrated data. Here we have the pilot to scale. This is the 10-step playbook. So adoption fails, I think, without a path from experiment to your standard. So if you use this playbook in your materials, like ideate high friction work, prioritize a single use case, assemble your small team, build your MVP, learn from outputs, iterate and scale, then that works. Integrate it into your CRM and your communications, and you will see, you will be celebrating your wins over time. So the mantra here is one journey, one agent, one automation, and one outcome, and then you repeat, because it's overwhelming if you try to do too much too soon. So we'd advise that you identify one repetitive task where there's high friction, and there's a process there that where AI can help, and then you repeat it. But go for one outcome and concentrate on that first and get that